Here I'll show you how to maximize your e-course notes experience. On your laptop and on your phone, you can you have the same functions between each of the devices. You just have to navigate it a little differently. In another video, I'll do the same demo for e-course notes on your phone. So first, this is your e-course notes library. So let's go ahead and say I'm interested in reading Draw Digital Images. So if I want to read Draw Digital Images, I just go ahead and click on it. And then I can go open the book. You can favorite your course notes. You can just go ahead and click the heart on there. And what will happen is that you'll have a heart. And this way you can remember where your favorite e-course notes are. You can see I've already done that for leather care. And if you don't want to see all of your e-course notes and you just want to look at your favorite ones, you can even click this tab here and it'll only show you the ones that you've put a heart on. As you can see, I've put a heart on quite a few, but you can still see it and categorize it there. So let's go ahead and open up Draw Digital Images. Just go ahead and open the book to start reading. So this is the e-course notes for Draw Digital Images. You can see it one page at a time. So this is how you navigate the page, just previous and back. And you can see all the chapters if you click here on this 3-bar menu looking thing. So you can see the whole table of contents and you can go, these are all the headers for the pages that you'll want. So if I'm just looking for an introduction, maybe I'll look at program objectives. So this will give me the sort of program objectives I want, and you can just click on here to go directly to the place that you want to read. Say I want to create divide a new shape. There are a couple of functionalities that are quite useful. You can actually search for terms, you can put in sticky notes, you can highlight things, and you can add a bookmark. So let's go ahead and say I'm trying to search for a term. I want to look for, in this case, I want to find out how to download Adobe Illustrator. So maybe I'd go to Illustrator. I can search the whole book. And you can see all the places that show Illustrator on the page. It's quite useful if you want to look for something quickly. So let's clear the results on that. I don't want to keep that anymore. Instead, I would like to bookmark this page. If I want to bookmark this page, I just have to click this and I'll get the little bookmark there. And how I can remember it is by going down to Notebook, and it will keep a bookmark on the page that I want to remember. So you can just go back to Notebook and you can look at even just bookmarks because you'll see that these will start to fill up. Now let's say I would like to write a sticky note. Let's say I'm in the introduction page and I remember I had a question for my trainer. So what I would do is I would just go ahead and click the pen here and I'll be able to enter my note. So here I can say question for trainer. Don't forget to ask. I can save that, and again, it'll show up back in my notebook. It'll show me where it is and what exactly I wrote, and I can go straight back to it. Similarly, I can go straight back to the bookmark that I marked a while back. Finally, if I want to do a highlight, I can go ahead and just hover my mouse over the part of the sentence that I want to remember, and I'll just click and drag, and I can go ahead and just highlight here. I can choose the color I want as well if you want to customize that. Again, that will show up on my notebook, and I can hop back and forth between my different notes, which is going to be very convenient when you are doing your in-class assessments. Finally, if you want to exit your book, just go ahead and click the arrow button here, and it'll ask you if you are sure about exiting your book. You won't lose any of the notes that you've made, and it'll stay there even when you return back to it.